Welcome back, foodies. This week on Cheri the Chef, we're going to have a lot of fun because I bought a lot of egg roll wrappers just to see what I could make out of them besides crab rangoon, but we're probably going to make that tomorrow because I have got a sweet, creamy, delicious recipe that I swear is better than Chinese takeout. But we're going to do that tomorrow. Today we're going to get started with breakfast. We're going to be making some sausage, egg, and cheese breakfast rolls. So basically I'm just going to toss everything in the bowl that I would put into an omelet. So I'm doing sausage, an egg, and if you're a vegetarian, you can leave the meat out, or you could even substitute, ham or bacon, whatever you like. I'm doing a little bit of onion, a little bit of pepper. Of course, you can leave those out, but that's what I would put in my omelet. And then I'm going to do a lot of cheese. I like a lot of cheese. We're just going to dump all of that in there. So I'm just going to stir this together with my hands. And then we're going to set this aside, grab our egg roll wrappers, and we'll do these one at a time. So I'm going to turn them like a diamond shape. I got a mess going on. I'm going to grab some egg wash. So this is just an egg mixed with a little bit of water. And I'm just going to use my brush and brush the sides of this so they'll stick together. And then I'm going to grab a small, maybe a little bit more in here. We want it to have some substance to it. And then I'll show you how to roll it. We're just going to take the corner and fold it over, and then you're going to push down and kind of roll it back. So you're just tightening all that right in there. And then we'll flip it over once more, and then we're going to fold in our edges. Tuck my little egg in there. All right. And just finish rolling. And that's it. So I'm going to finish rolling these up. Well, let's do our egg wash first. And I love this brush. It's got like a little lip on it. So if you've got it in the pan or in your bowl, it won't fall in there and then you don't have to dig it out. I've had that happen several times. All right, so let's finish rolling the rest of these. Okay, now we've got all of our breakfast goodies all rolled up in their blankets. So it's time to toss them in the deep fryer and get them nice and crispy. So I'm just going to toss them into the basket, and I'm going to do these two at a time. I'm just going to drop them down in the basket, and then I'm going to use my tongs to kind of hold these in place. Make sure they're completely covered in the oil. Kind of roll them around a little bit so they get fried evenly. And I love these paper chip tongs. So you can work these with one hand. So if you hold them up and squeeze them, they're together. And if you hold them down and squeeze them, they come apart. So it's nice because you can work them with one hand. And these only take about a minute or so. We just want to get them with a nice golden color to them. Nice and crispy. And used to, when I would deep fry things, I would put them on a plate, like with paper towels, and I would let them drain that way. And what happens, though, is like the bottom of your food is still just sitting in that grease or the oil. And so it becomes kind of soggy on the bottom. So what I like to do is to put them on a baking rack that's sitting above a cookie sheet, like the one I have from Pampered Chef here. All right, so we've got two of them. I'm going to pull my basket back out, put these two in there, drop those down, get those frying. And then, because we don't live near town anymore, so we don't get to go to Taco Bell as often, so I just started stockpiling sauce. So I'm just going to put a little bit of taco sauce on there. Let's make sure these are getting nice and even. I'll hold them down just a little bit. I'm starting to smell them now. Maple sausage. So these might be good instead of doing taco sauce. It might be good dipped in maple syrup. What would really be good is sausage gravy, like a white pepper sausage gravy.